Accountability. It is essential to ensure that there is accountability for the decisions made by AI systems and that individuals can challenge and appeal those decisions. Transparency. AI systems can be complex and difficult to understand, making it challenging to assess their impact and ensure accountability. It is essential to ensure that AI systems are transparent and explainable so that individuals can understand how decisions are made. Safety. AI systems can have unintended consequences and pose risks to human safety. It is essential to ensure that AI systems are designed and developed in a way that is safe and does not pose a threat to individuals or society. Employment. AI has the potential to automate many jobs, leading to job displacement and unemployment. It is essential to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that supports human employment and creates new job opportunities. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that involves teaching machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. ML algorithms use statistical techniques to enable machines to identify patterns and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. There are three main types of ML: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, machines are trained on labeled data, meaning that the data is already categorized or classified. The machine learns to recognize patterns in the labeled data and can then use that knowledge to make predictions about new, unlabeled data. Unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, machines are trained on unlabeled data, meaning that the data is not categorized or classified. The machine learns to identify patterns and relationships in the data without any prior knowledge of what the data represents. Reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, machines learn by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. The machine learns to make decisions that maximize its reward and minimize its penalties over time. Machine learning is used in various applications, such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and predictive modeling. ML algorithms can also be used for anomaly detection, fraud detection, and recommendation systems. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where machines are trained on labeled data, meaning that the data is already categorized or classified. The machine learns to recognize patterns in the labeled data and can then use that knowledge to make predictions about new, unlabeled data.